How to link your TikTok with Reddit. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. You will just go and open your Reddit. Then on Reddit you will go here, click on it, then click on my profile, then go to edit, then go to add social links, add, and now I will click TikTok and write my username. So, and when I add it, I will just click OK here, and then when I finish, click save. And now I will try. I will go to this TikTok. So as you see now, I link my TikTok with my Reddit. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.